Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in AutoCAD. I am architect Sonora from Glad Studio, and in this video tutorial we will learn about revision cloud in AutoCAD. So how to do revision in your drawing, so we'll learn that. So if I am going to my draw panel here, and if I will click this arrow here, you can see there are some symbol here, and if you bring your mouse here, you can see this is the rectangular revision cloud. So it creates a revision cloud drawing a rectangle. So if you click this here, there is polygonal and freehand, and you can also use your command bar here, and you can type revision cloud here, and you can see this is the rev cloud, which is the shortcut for your revision cloud. So I am going to click this, and you can see here it is specifying arc length, offset, rectangular, polygonal, freehand, style or modify. So if I am going to simply bring my mouse here to this drawing, you can see this is saying specify first point. So I am going to specify my first point here, and you can see here if you click again and again, it will take that shape. So you can click on your mouse and bring this revision here. So you can see this is in calligraphy form, so this is not in normal. So you can change the style here. I will tell you how you can do this. So I'm going to again my draw panel here this time, and I will select this revision cloud, and again you can see this is the same thing which is visible here. So now I'm going to select my style here, and I will select this from calligraphy. Now it is calligraphy, so I will bring it to normal to make you understand better. So now I am going to select my first term here, which is arc length. So if I am going to select the arc length, this means what is the length of this arc which is I am using in my revision. So you can see the revision cloud is made of many arcs, so that you have to define from here. So again I am going to type revision cloud here, so you can select this, and now you can define the arc length. So you can give approximate length here. So I'm going to give this as 2 feet here, and now again you can draw using 2 feet here. So if you want to reduce, this is I'm going to again make this as 6 inch. So now if you'll bring your mouse here, so I'm going to specify my first point, and now you can draw your arc length here. So you can define how much is the arc length. So this is the arc length, so you can give 6 inch, 1 feet, 2 feet, like that. So now again you can use draw panel here, and I'm going to select this one, and now this is the object. So you can select any object and give that shape of revision cloud using that object. So if I'm going to draw a circle here, and again I will draw a rectangle here. So if I'm going to use again revision cloud here, and now I'm going to select object here, and it is asking revision cloud select object. So if I want to make this in circular form, I will select this circle here, and this is in the circular form. So reverse direction, yes or no, you can select. So I'm going to select no, and again I am going to press my space bar on my keyboard, so your previous command will appear here. So now I am going to select object again, and I will select rectangle here. So this is in the form of rectangle here. So likewise you can use object style. Again I will press the space bar on my keyboard, and this previous command is here. So now you can make a rectangular rectangular revision cloud. So if I'm going to select here rectangle here, and if I'm going to give this my first point here, and you can make this in rectangular shape here. So this is handy in your design work. So again we have to press the space bar here, and the next is polygonal shape. So you can draw in polygonal shape also. So it is asking a specify first point. So I am going to specify the first point, and can bring second point, and your third point, so this will be triangular form, and if you bring your fourth point, so it will be a square form, and if you bring your fifth point, so it will be in pentagonal form, and you can hit enter. So likewise this you can make in your polygonal form. So again I'm going to hit space bar on my keyboard, and now here this is the freehand. So if you want to draw freehand, you can draw revision cloud in freehand form. So you can give any shape, so you can send to your site to revise your drawings. So next again I will hit spacebar, and now this is the style. So I told you can select from normal to calligraphy. So if you select calligraphy here, so this will be in calligraphy form, so you can do revisions in your drawing using calligraphy. So again I hit spacebar, and you can modify from here. So this is the basic information of how to do revision in your AutoCAD drawing. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.